you guys, it is December 15th and behind me you see Lee's beautiful farm truck. Today the kids and I are bored and we didn't film us milking the cow this morning, so we figured we would just give you the content of us cleaning Lee's truck for him. Not going to be like a super miraculous thing, I don't think, when we get done with it, but we're going to tidy it up and try to organize it. The whole dash is covered in gloves and hats and tools, anything that you would need for farming. The back is covered also in anything you might need for farming. Barbed wire, fence posts, shovels, chainsaw, all the things. We're just gonna try to tidy it up a little bit, wipe the surfaces down, clean them up. They're covered in dust. And yeah, that's the plan. I think Waylon got the hard job. So many random things. Warren, don't spray yourself. The tiniest of turtle shells. Here's a peek at the dash, all cleaned off. Warren cleaned the windows. We wiped down all the gauges. We didn't do the floors as far as vacuuming or anything because it is still just a farm truck and it would probably just get dirty again tonight. There's the back, all swept off, cleaned up. We're gonna take the barbed wire down to the shed here in a little bit, or we'll ask Lee when he gets home and see if he wants it off the truck. Definitely better than it was. We're all sitting in the truck waiting for him to pull down the road. We're gonna try to surprise him and we're gonna try to catch his reaction. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Hey, you probably want to go look in your truck.
Clean off the back of the truck?
We'll go look in the front of it.
Hey, go look at your back windshield.
You break it out?
Why is that your first reaction? Did we break it?
Normally they break all my stuff.
Oh, I'm talking about the truck.
Look at the back
We didn't do the
windshield.
floors because we thought it might be pointless.
I lost all kinds of stuff, didn't I?
Yeah.
No.
No, it's on that yellow toolbox.
We kept all your
Yellow toolbox.
We-
Toolbox.
2 box.
Good job.
We didn't know what you wanted to do with the barbed wire, so we didn't know if it should stay back there or go somewhere else.
There's probably some trees over here somewhere you could have stretched it between.
So we are headed up to our goat farm because when Lee got home, he informed us that there was a goat missing And so we are gonna go try to locate the missing goat.
That's to find it.
If you do have goats, you know that it's pretty common to have a goat missing or out. But this one, he said, was kind of sickly yesterday, and now today he can't find it. So we are gonna go search the 20 acres that our goats are on and see if we can find it.
No such thing as a sick goat.
You think it's dead?
Yep.
I hope not. Which way are you going?
Probably going that way.
And the boys took both sides of the gate?
Yep.
All right, Whitley and I will go back here in this back corner then. Huh?
That comes the goat sick.
It's sick or dead, probably. That or it got out. I was hoping maybe it just got out, but Dad said it's probably not doing good. What are you doing, Tilly?
I slipped and fell.
Oh. You gotta watch it. There's rocks everywhere.
Yeah, that's cool.
Look what Whitley just found. Show the side of it. Does it have any markings? What's the lid say, babe?
Don't know.
Rust-proof cap. Interesting. Cool bottle. Dad'll think that's cool.
Yeah. And I found it. I was the one who found it.
So cool.
I never find my cool little bottles like this.
Yeah,
There's
it's exciting.
something in it.
Come on, let's go look for the goat. Hold up, so Dad can see how deep it was. Yeah, I just stuck my whole leg down in that by accident.
That's deep. It looks like there's a hole in it.
Hopefully there's no bears in there, Whit.
Mom, a bear can't fit down in it.
No. The sun is about gone and we still haven't found her yet. It's not looking good. Unsuccessful hunt for the goat. Oh, you're hilarious. You just crack yourself right up, don't you?
Bringing you guys out tomorrow.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
What are you doing with them?
Bringing that Quanti's at home.
Okay, if that whole idea and setup works, then we will let them out.
My ideas often work.
Oh, yeah? So we have to put that on a trailer and haul it here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know how that's going to go.
We're going to put it on trailer and haul it here. Simple.
That's awfully heavy to lift. No problem?
Has that ever been a problem?
I don't guess. Cocky much?
She moved that stroller because it's not to eat. Get in here, you stroller eating cow. Now,
Hi, honey.
stand by the post.
Hi, honey girl.
Yeah.
Hi, honey girl.
Well,
The cat says hi, too.
this calf pulled the end off this bottle.
Oh, one of them did. I think it was that one that did it the other day.
No, Rose done it.
Oh.
Rose? Did you get them burned? Hey,
The
Mom.
boys found them right earlier.
Hey. Hey, Rose, come on. Come here. Why'd you jerk it, Dad?
I didn't.
There's nothing on it, Rosie. Rose, there's nothing on it.
We accidentally forgot to press the record button whenever we were milking, so you didn't get to see that tonight. But you've got to see it many other nights, so I'm sure you weren't curious as to how we do it. We just want to get back on here and tell you guys that we hope you're having a good day, and we'll see you tomorrow.